Welcome to magiccse by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. See the difference between drop, truncate and delete. All the three commands are helping you to delete some content. But there is a difference between the three commands. So what is it actually? Separately in each videos we'll be seeing these commands, explanation for this commands along with hands-on. But what is the actual difference between them? And we'll see with one single example. We'll apply all these three things and we'll analyze what is the difference between them in this video. So drop command and truncate command comes under DDL command, that is data definition language. Delete command comes with DML, data manipulation language. So both these commands are auto committed, that is automatically it will be saved, the status will be saved and you cannot roll back to the previous data. Whereas the DML command, delete from, is a DML command, so you can easily roll back to it because it will not, the changes can be recovered. That is the major difference you have to know. The next one is what it actually performs. So drop will be deleting the entire thing from the scratch. That is the structure of the table. If you are having content and if you are deleting the content along with structure together will be deleted by the drop command. Whereas truncate command will be deleting only the content but the entire content. You are having 10 records inside a table, all the 10 records in single go it will be deleted, but the structure will not be affected. The structure of the table will be remaining safe. Delete is even more safe, that is only the conditions, the tuples which are satisfying the given condition alone will be deleted. Other tuples will not be touched at all. The structure of the table also will not be affected. So that is the difference between these three things. We'll see the syntax and we'll see an hands-on example and we'll analyze deeper. So for drop, table, table name. This is the syntax. For truncate table, table name. For delete from table name. Then you have to use where and you have to give the condition. So we'll see example. So now I'm having a separate table. So I'm copying it to save time. So here look at this. I have created a table sample grade mark. So grade is single character, mark is 3 numbers. This is the data type. I have inserted 6 records I have inserted using insert all statement. So select star from sample. So this is my table. So now before starting with the delete from command, I would like to save this table. So delete from is an DML command and insert is also a DML command. DML commands will not be saved automatically. You have to manually save it with the help of the command commit. So commit complete. Now I have saved this. So once you are saving the record and you are performing delete means it will help you to roll back to the previous data. So now we will see the first command delete from. So delete from, the table name is sample, right? Sample where I'm giving the condition like randomly I'm deleting grade is equal to D. So this record I am trying to delete. So one row deleted. Now select star from sample. If you are giving that, after C you don't have D. That is D is deleted successfully. So this is called as delete from command. So how many number of tuples are satisfying this condition after var class, condition present in the var class will be deleted from your table. So this is the use of delete from. Other tuples will not be affected. They will be staying safe. The structure of the table also will remain as such. Only the tuple which is satisfying the var condition alone will be deleted from the table. So this is the inference which you get from delete from command. Then one more inference we can try, like make sure you have saved the table, then only this rollback will work. So rollback I am doing, and now see, rollback means it will go to the previous state, right? So here it went to the previous state, so after C you are having D. So before rollback, it was deleted. After rollback, you are able to recover the change. You are able to recover to your previous data. So this can be done only with the delete from command. For truncate and drop, this will not be working. We'll experiment it and see. So hope you are very clear with delete from command. So delete from command will delete only the tuple which is satisfying the condition. Then with the help of rollback command, you will be able to move to the previous state. So the next one is truncate. So truncate table, I am giving the table name sample. So in one go you want to delete all the tuples, you use this truncate, table truncated. Now if you are seeing, you don't have any rows, no rows selected. So all the 6 rows has been deleted with the help of truncate command. So if you are trying to roll back, still it will be showing you no rows selected. So truncate is a DDL command and you will not be able to recover the change. Automatically it will be permanently saved and you will not be able to do that. Same way here, before rolling back, after deleting, manually if you are typing commit and you are trying rollback, means it will not work. So here manually, unless and until you type manually commit, this rollback will take you to the previous state in the case of delete from. Here you need not type manually. All the DDL commands are auto committed. So all automatically the truncate command will be saved and the changes, once you are deleting it, the table, the content of the table will be deleted and it will be saved. So you are not able to perform the rollback operation with truncate. But the structure of the table will be remaining as such. So describe table sample means grade and marks. These are the columns present. The structure is remaining safe. If you type an insert command and you are trying to insert a value inside this, means it will be working correctly. So that is called as truncate. The structure will be remaining safe. Further new insert can be done and you can build up the table. So that is regarding this truncate. The next command is drop. So drop table, the table name is sample. If you are dropping it, the entire table from the scratch it will be deleted. And if you are selecting, it will show that table is not at all there. Table does not exist. Even if you are trying to describe the table, it will say that the object sample, the table sample does not exist. That is entirely the structure, everything will be deleted. So even you are creating a table. So with the help of truncate, I deleted the table's content. So an empty table only deleted. So now again I am creating this table. So I am creating this table again. Now I am dropping it. So this table is with the content. Table has been dropped. So if you are selecting also, it will say that table is not present, like that. If you are describing the table also, it will tell you like the table is not present. So drop command, whether you are having content, whether that is table is filled with records or it is an empty table, only the structure of the table is there. Whatever it is, if you are dropping, entirely the structure, the content, everything will be destroyed with the help of drop command. And even if you are trying to roll back, it is auto committed. Roll back complete, like that it will come, but it will not be able to recover the previous state because automatically the changes were committed by the SQL, because DDL commands are auto committed. So hope you are clearly understood the difference between drop, truncate and delete. So rollback cannot be done with this DDL commands drop and truncate, whereas delete you can work and see the rollback command. So entire structure along with content will be deleted by drop. Only the entire content will be deleted by truncate, but the structure remains safe. In delete from command, only the tuples which are satisfying the where condition will be deleted. The other tuples and the structure of the table will not be affected at all. So these are the difference between drop, truncate and delete. Hope this was very useful. This is a frequently asked interview question, and before doing deletion, you should make the deletion to be safe, right? For that, this understanding the difference between three commands is very much important. Try the hands-ons and work on it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to magiccse by Eezytutorials. Thank you.